Today, I am beyond thrilled to share something truly special to me. You know what? It's priceless, something that represents elegance history, my ladies. Yes. Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nancy. If you're new here, thank you all so much for stopping by and welcome. If you are returning, hi ladies, thank you for stopping by today and thank you for watching my other video. I'm excited, extremely excited today. From the color of my dress, you can tell what I'm about to unbox. Today we are unboxing my vintage Hermes bag. I've opened the box already. My excitement could not contain it, but I peeped through. I saw it was the bag. I was about going to school this afternoon. I was dressed, and when the delivery man rang the campanello, Italians watching, correct me if I have perfected my Italian speaking, but anyways, let's get into this baby. This bag did not come with the box. This is why I'm representing the box wearing an orange dress. My brooch is from Hermes and my earrings are also from Hermes. If you have been here in this channel for a while now, you know my struggle getting an Hermes bag. I don't want to fall into the trap of buying a counterfeit because I fell into the trap before. So sometimes when I find a deal, before I send it for authentication and get approval, it's already sold, it's gone. And I just said, okay, I know I will get this Hermes Birkin or Kelly before I turn 40, and I didn't expect it to come this year. I can say this is an early Christmas gift. I'm so excited. If you have not seen my video on how I got scammed by trying to buy an Hermes, I will leave that video in the pinned comments. I can't believe I will be this excited for a bag because this is not me. Is this the Hermes fever? I don't know. Join me to unbox my first quarter bag. Let's pause for a while before we unbox it. Do you think this is a Kelly or a Birkin? And what size do you think it is? As well as the color. Let me know in the comment section. I'll pause, count 10 seconds. Go to the comment section and write. Let's count 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do we open? Have you written? Go ahead. Wait. I'm shaking. Okay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is it. She's gorgeous. It's dated all the way back from 1979. This is a true collector piece for the age, and it comes in pristine condition, although it has, okay, I'll show you all closely. I need to take this to the spa, but before I take it to the spa, I'm going to use it because I did some investigation. If you take this to the spa, sometimes it takes up to 6 months. But anyways, before I take this to the spa, I would use it. See, I'm loving this. I call this ancestor's bag because of its age. This is Kelly 28 in a dark blue color. Good hardware, stunning. Ladies, I also bought some few accessories to style this vintage classic with. The accessories I've got, it's a vintage cardinal dated from 2001. 2001, because this purse, the seller have lost the padlock and the keys, so I just ordered. Since it's vintage, I just want everything to be vintage, and I've always loved this Cardinal's charm instead of the regular padlocks I always see. And also I got this Hermes Filial accessory for my glove. As you know, we are already in the winter season. We'll use a lot of gloves, so instead of, I'm gonna do it properly for you all to see. Everything about this screams timeless luxury, exuding history and sophistication, my ladies. This glove holder is both practical and stylish. It's these little details that makes the Hermes bags more iconic, my ladies. And I have also bought a twilling. Now ladies, I'm sure you would want to see how I style this cutie. I think I should. This is not a nice place to make the video. Thank you all for joining me today to unbox this my baby. She's my new baby in my closet, and I know I will use this a lot. It will work for the money. I don't baby my item. Whatever I have, I use it until I'm tired. It's either I sell it or I give it away. Thank you for joining me to unbox this exquisite timeless baby. This is not just a Hermes Kelly 28. It's a piece of art. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please pardon all my excitement and rumbling in this video. What do you think about this vintage Kelly 28? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep investing in timeless pieces, my ladies. Bye.